Everyone, you are in the right place because I'm going to show you how to fix storage permission denied on Android. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you can't access storage and show a permission denied error, here's how to fix it. So go to your settings. Alright, so after that, go to your app or app management. So just go to the app that's showing the error. So for example, Canva. Alright, so just tap on permission. And after that, you need to select or allow the photos and videos or the files and media. And another way is go again into your settings and app management. So here, find the permission manager. And go to the file section. As you can see, all my apps has an access on it. So that's it. Now you know how to fix the storage permission denied error on Android. So if you have any issues, let us know. Thanks for watching and take care.